Hello and welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for August 2022. I'm Mahendra from the Windows Servicing and Delivery team. This month, we show you a way to receive important notifications when you are using Focus Assist and provide a tip for opening pinned taskbar items using a quick and easy shortcut. First, let's talk about this month's update. Here are a few of the changes that we have made based on your feedback. The very first time you start a new Windows device, you can now update to a newer version of Windows 11 if one is available and your device is eligible. If you have noticed that the File Explorer stops working when you use the play and pause keyboard buttons on certain devices, we have addressed that issue for you. Additionally, File Explorer will continue working when you use the Start menu's context menu and an external monitor is connected to your device. Quick tip: access the context menu by pressing the Windows key and X. Hovering over the search icon on the taskbar now works as expected and no longer displays a blank window that you cannot close. For those of you who couldn't get the Start menu to open, we have addressed that issue. And finally, if you encounter difficulty getting troubleshooting tools to open, you guessed it, they should now open for you. You can find out more about these and other changes by reading the highlights and improvement section of the July 2022 preview and the August 2022 security update release notes. Now, on to the Windows features and tips. Windows 11 now gives you the choice to receive important notifications when Focus Assist is on. Focus Assist is like a do not disturb mode that hides notifications. When a notification sends its first important notification, it will ask you if you want to get important notifications when Focus Assist is on. You will be able to choose Allow or Not Now. If you want to change your selection in the future, simply navigate to Settings, System, Notification. Select the application you want to configure and set the toggle to on or off for Allow app to send important notifications when Focus Assist is on. Do you have pinned apps on your taskbar? If so, here is a keyboard shortcut to make it easier to open and navigate between them. Just press the Windows key and the number that corresponds to the position of the app on your taskbar. For example, pressing Windows 1 will bring up the first app pinned on your taskbar. This shortcut makes it easy to quickly jump to the app you need, no mouse needed. Note that this numbering excludes the Start menu, the search box, the desktop, and chat because these have their own unique shortcuts. Are there Windows 11 features that you would like to know more about? Send us feedback in the section provided in this article. That's it for the month. Thanks for watching.